Welcome to Pemberley Farm. Well, today we are doing something that I've never done before. We're making refrigerator pickles. We're going to make two different kinds. We're going to make dill pickles, refrigerator dills, which is what I'm working on now. And we're going to make sweet refrigerator pickles. We're doing them in the gallon jars. Somebody gave us some gallon jars from some dill pickles a long time ago. And so that's what we're doing. And we're doing cucumbers and onions and put them in the jar, and then we'll put a brine that is made up very simply of water and white vinegar, equal parts, and for every cup of liquid you would put half a teaspoon of salt. So it's a real simple recipe. You'd have to leave it in the refrigerator at least 3 days to before you're going to have a dill flavor at all. Oh, plus you got to have the dill, don't you? I'm using dill weed. You can use fresh dill, you can use dill seed. That's just up to you, whatever to give it the dill taste. I'm also, because I want to, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic, and like I said, I've added onions just to give it a little bit of variety. So, but before we get into any more of it, let me just say, please like our videos and subscribe. We've got a number of videos in the kitchen and in the garden and a lot of different things. So take a look at our videos and please like and subscribe and share. Okay, now enough of the commercial. Back to pickles. So what we're doing, like I said, is we're going to heat up a brine and pour it over these pickles. I'm using a mandolin. It's so much faster. This is one I got at a yard sale, and it's a Pampered Chef, but I don't have the thing that goes with it, so I'm doing it like this. But when I get down to the end, believe me, I'm very careful because this is very, very sharp. I've already lost 2 fingernails doing it. So anyway, you can take that. That's Abby taking a cucumber out of the sink. So anyway, we'll bring you around to show you the brine and talk about that and continue on. Okay, so we've got our dill brine is finished boiling. You just bring it to a boil and then you turn it off so it can cool. So that's what this is doing. It's cooling. So now I've started. I have cut up the other cucumbers and onions for the sweet pickles. I've added a tablespoon plus of salt to it, mixed it up, and it's got to sit for an hour, and then we'll drain it and put it in the jar and then put this brine over it. And this brine is a sugar. It's got a lot of sugar in it. If you were doing just a small amount, it's 1.5 cups sugar, a cup of vinegar, and this calls for celery seed. This recipe does, but I don't think I'm going to put celery seed in it. I don't think celery seed goes with sweet pickles, so I'm not going to. So it's just sugar and vinegar, a lot of sugar to the amount of vinegar.
And water or no?
No water, no water. So
the other one was water, vinegar, and salt, right?
Yes. But this one is just, the salt is actually on the cucumbers and onions in this one. And it's just sugar and vinegar. So, ought to be interesting. Now, I've made pickles for many, many years. I mean, you know, all my life I've made pickles. But I've never made refrigerator pickles. So this is something new for us. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so both of our brines have boiled and they are cool. They're not cold, but they're kind of lukewarm. You just don't want it boiling because then the pickles will be more mushy if it's boiling when you put it in there. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Maybe I won't spill it everywhere. No laughing if I do.
And those are the dill pickles.
Yes, these are the dills. Oh,
wow.
Listen, I guessed at that, y'all. Truly, I guessed at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, now over time, these are going to kind of, you know, they'll reduce in size a little bit. They'll kind of shrink down. So anyway, going to put these because I can't do anything with them for a number of days anyway. we're going to put them in an extra refrigerator we have. We won't put them in the refrigerator here in the house. But anyway, that's the dills. And then this, we had put salt on our onions and cucumbers, and they had to sit for an hour. It's been a little more than an hour, but we had to eat lunch. So, you know, when you've got little babies that are screaming, "I'm hungry," you have to eat lunch when it's time. So anyway, so now we're just putting these over in this jar, and I probably don't have a full gallon like I did of that one. But like I said, we had to eat lunch, so we had to quit. But that's okay. We're putting these over in there, and then we will add, this is the sweet pickles, remember. So we'll see. Like I said, I've never done refrigerator pickles before. No clue how this is going to turn out. We'll do a little short follow-up video and let you know. Probably in about a week, and let you know how that's going to turn out. You know, I've done sweets, I've done dills, but never like this. So, alright, yeah, I didn't figure this would be a full gallon, but that's okay. That's okay. I probably have some sweet pickles open in my refrigerator. Aha. So, get those over out of the way. Now this is a little bit warmer than the other one, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in anyway. This one may not be quite as easy to maneuver for some reason. Look at that. Yay, I don't need any more. I was worried that I might need some more, that wouldn't be enough. So, very good, very good. So these are our sweets, and I'll put the lid on them for right now, but I'll mash them down and stir them around a little bit, and then we'll take them over and put them in the refrigerator, and in about a week we'll come back and let you know how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching today as we try something that we've never tried in all these years. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I hope that you will check out more of our videos. I'll tell you, one of the most popular ones we have is called Let's Bake Bread. So if you're new to bread baking or want to get into bread baking, that's a really simple recipe and a real simple procedure to do, and it's to get your feet wet in bread baking. I'll get Ashley to either put it in the cards or in the description or both, and you can take a look at it. But again, thank you for watching and joining us here at Pemberley Farm. We enjoy doing these things for you and learning as we go too. You know, none of us knows everything, so we all learn as we go. So, time to close, and I thank you for watching, and God bless you from Pemberley Farm.